App development consists of two developments: native app development and hybrid app development. Before that, you need to understand that app developers design app for operating systems like Windows or Mac. A question arrives, what is hybrid development? Hybrid development means apps are designed in such a way that, or you can assume coding is done in such a way that it can be used in both the platforms, either it is Mac or Windows, with little bit change in the code. Compared to native app development, hybrid app development is little bit cheaper, quicker, and best for developers who started app development now. When we come to native app development, native app developers usually develop app for a particular platform. And what is the use of developing an app for a particular platform is it increases the efficiency of the app. And when compared to hybrid app development, native app development is not at all cheaper. It is highly expensive, but it is very efficient, and servers also won't crash in native app development. But in both the developments, Java is used, so you can consider learning Java.